Hey, it is DTM, and this is a bonus video just in the middle of the filming schedule that I've got for today, but I'm going to make a little snack for the ladies. They're out there holding space for the garage sale. I was like, I'm just going to try to film a bunch of videos today because we're moving. So I'm just trying to do my thing in here, and they got the garage sale covered. Can you dig it? So I'm going to try to make a little snack for them utilizing this amazing 2-month-old coconut cheese. Can you dig it? So what I'm going to do is cut some vegetables first, and I'll do that in a nice way here, and we'll cut down the middle again. That's nice enough. I think we'll just do it like that. I could probably cut those in half, but in fact I'm going to do that. I'm just going to go right in half so it's not gaudy, if you will. Boom, there we go. So just some little dipper sticks for this cheese I'm about to make. Boom, and I'm also going to have a few cucumbers. I'll cut the fat side. I was just going to do like half a cucumber here. I just gave them some coconut water, but I wanted them to try this cheese because I am stoked out of my mind on this cheese right now. The little snacks they got, and then I'll give her a massage later because I don't want to be doing a garage sale. Can you dig it? Too many people. And she's less of a people person than me. You'd think I was a people person just because I can make videos, but you usually see me, I'm on my own. I love people. I'm just kidding, but I like to just kind of stay in the zone. So I've been just chomping on this cheese myself because I am stoked out of my mind. But here we go. Check this out. I'm about to do this right here. That is the bomb.com, dude. The bomb.com. I'm going to take a big old dollop of this cheese. Professional. Okay. A little bit more. And then what I'm going to do, what is it? Now with the economy, it's like a 5-second rule. Remember when it was 10-second rule? Well, now it's a 5-second rule. It's been about 8. Falls over dead. Now, but seriously though, like, let's do a little, let's just do a little cheese recipe here. I was going to be like, okay, word. Now, check this out. There's some moisture in there, so we got to get rid of the moisture. Take a little bit of this sea salt, grind it up. And I'll get some herbs too. Mortar and pestle, and then just a little bit of salt, maybe even cut down the middle and spread that so I can get the salt down in there a little bit. Bam, beautiful, right? Now, I mean, I could either go with basil. She loves basil. Let me do basil. I was going to do rosemary because that would be the way I would go. And then I was going to do lemon, but I see these little lime wedges I've got here. And I got her some basil today. I got 2 different kinds. And I think the Italian basil will be the most appropriate. It's not going to take much just to basil up the cheese here. And then I'll drop on a little bit of lime juice. So let me just really shred this this basil super fine. Okay. Okay. Gorgeous. It's not that pretty, but I think Yeah. I could spend much time on preparation, but there's that, and then just a little bit of this over the top. And then, of course, you could go in 9 million directions and do anything you want. That's what's so awesome about the coconut is it's so versatile. But that's just a little snack plate for the ladies. Let me give you the close-up. Thanks for watching this little bonus video. Give me a thumbs up and leave me some positive comments. And thanks, everyone, for your love and support over the years. I have quite a story to tell one day. But right now, I'm just holding it all together, just kind of like staying in the lines and just moving forward ever so gracefully and thankfully for just what I've been given. So enjoy that and enjoy your living foods, and God bless you and take care and thank you so much. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye now.